Gerry Maher, Executive Chef of Rosehill Gardens. This year, on October the 20th, we celebrate International Chef Day. Over the past 2 years, our industry's been really restricted, so the day has never been as more important as it is this year. For International Chef's Day this year, we have an opportunity to focus on paying closer attention to keep ourselves as chefs and others around us healthy, with having strong immune systems and eating stress-busting foods to help us through these challenging times. We can also help our children, and the world chefs are working together to prepare children for a healthy life, and that will be the focus of International Chef's Day. Once again, is to promote healthy food for the future. 2021 International Chef's Day also emphasises sustainability and the environment to ensure a healthy planet for future generations. It is vital for us to teach our children about the impact that production and consumption of food has on the environment. We should use this opportunity to teach children about healthy eating by letting them be creative with food. With the chef's input, education and help, children will be able to recreate recipes out of healthy food and produce healthy food for the future. I encourage all chefs to embrace this in 2021.
Happy International Chef's Day from all